Hi, it's Sarah. How's everybody's summer going? Well, I wanted to share some updates and give you some homework for the rest of the summer. Okay, so updates: Connecticut foreclosure sales have all been postponed to October 3rd. So anybody who had a foreclosure auction scheduled already, starting mid-March or so of this year, your foreclosure auction is now on for October 3rd. That doesn't mean you have until October 3rd to save your house. In fact, there's a deadline in late August. That's just a month away, late August, to file a motion with the court, unless you want that attorney who's assigned to sell your house for the court to start racking up a bunch of money with coordinating that sale. Okay, so if you think you have a way to talk to your bank or deal with your bank and get your mortgage modified, we need to start working now to make sure that's in place well before the end of August, so that we can prevent that attorney from starting to conduct all the things that attorney has to do before a foreclosure auction sale on October 3rd. They get that whole month of September just to work. And believe me, they will work and they will generate fees for themselves, and they will spend money on insurance and a sign, and the sign might go up and all that stuff. So if you don't want that to happen, if you think you can save your house and you're scheduled for a foreclosure auction, call my office right away. The other announcement: any law day, that's if you don't have equity in your home and you were scheduled for a law day, which is basically a deadline set by the court that you have to beat. You have to beat that deadline in order to save your house. Otherwise, if you let that law day pass, okay, you don't own your house anymore. Those deadlines are scheduled for September 9th. Now that's a Wednesday, okay? That is just over 6 weeks away, and we can help you save your house if you get started now. Don't think, oh, I have till October 3rd or I have till September 9th. No, you do not. You do not. You have to show the court that if you want an extension of those deadlines, you have to show that there's good cause. That's the term in Connecticut law. You have to show good cause to get extra time. You can't just say, well, COVID. Not exactly good cause. We have to explain it. Or I'm in the middle of working with my bank on a modification. That's good cause. Okay, but you have to actually be in the middle of working with your bank on a modification in order to be able to say that to the court, and you need to say it well in advance of October 3rd or September 9th, okay? So your homework for the summer: if you want to save your house and you're behind and you have a law day or an auction date scheduled here in Connecticut, get working now. Get working yesterday, get working today. It's almost never too late, but start. The sooner you start, the easier it'll be, and the less you'll have to spend on attorney's fees, because when I'm called in at the last minute, I have to drop everything and charge you more. So let's get started sooner than later. In the meantime, if you're not in foreclosure, if you don't have any problems with your mortgage, but you want to work on your credit, get your credit reports. Right now, you're allowed to get a free credit report every week at www.annualcreditreport.com. And I look at credit reports for no charge, okay? So get your credit reports, call me up, tell me you've got one to look at, you'll get it over to me, and we'll set up time to talk about it, okay? So if you want to work on your credit this summer, it's a great time to sort of tighten things up, tighten up a household budget, we'll figure out what you should pay off if there's something you should pay off. Okay, let's work on that together as well. If you have too much credit card debt, give me a call. I also work with people who have too much credit card debt, who can't or won't file for bankruptcy. Okay, I'm the person to call for that. So you got another month of summer or so as far as before school goes back, and you got to keep an eye on those foreclosure deadlines. But let's talk soon. Call my office, email me, contact me through my website. Reach out any way you can. We'll get back to you, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.